Okay, today we have a 2006 RX330 Lexus key fob. You will need a very small cross-point screwdriver, like for fixing eyeglasses, because there is a small screw on the logo side. So you get the screwdriver in there, carefully unscrew it, make sure you don't lose the screw. Then carefully pry it open. And the battery is inside here. Notice right here it'll say use a coin to open. You might be able to do it with your fingernail though, but there's a little gap in here between the clear side and the black side. Okay, so I'm going to just use the key. It's the same thing as a coin. And carefully pry it open. And there you have your CR 2016 battery. You can continue to just use the key or the screwdriver, something to get it to come out, or your fingernail. I think that's probably the best and safest. The 2016s are really wafer thin. So anyway, through the magic of editing, to reverse the process, insert your new battery under the gold leads first. All right, you'll notice there's a little clip here and here. Got to get sure it's under that. Clicks it into place. Replace the cover. Take the outer case. Drop the part in. Bring the cover back over. Take your screw that you didn't lose. Carefully drop it in there if you don't have a magnetic screwdriver. Be careful not to over tighten it. Once it's tight, it's good. And there you go. You've replaced the battery in your Lexus RX330 key fob. Thanks for watching. As always, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.